starting the vlog of food at IT's Royal Bengal. So अभी हम देखेंगे कि में आज के दिन में क्या क्या है. This video is going to be a little longer. You know what it is? It's a grilled fish. I'll slowly move down. Then this is the farmer's corner. That's the global gallery. This is the confectionery zone. This is the gourmet zone. They have ice creams, various ice creams. And this is my favorite corner. Since I'm Bengali, I have a sweet tooth. Eta amar. Kesar barfi, bhapa chana, chana sandesh, shak sandesh. Then this is strawberry sandesh, mishti doi, caramel custard. Then this is all confectionery area. Slowly I'll tilt it so that you guys can read what all is kept. My sound is so low because I can't shout and make the video as expected. So this is the dessert corner. Then comes, this is again the dessert corner only. Abar khabo sandesh. This is the kesar rabdi. Oh, I missed it. Angur sitafal. Then moong ka halwa, and this is makha sandesh. You know, I love the spread of ITC. I keep coming over here and I go to many of the hotels, but this of my favorite, ITC Royal Bengal. It's the chutney corner, the kebab corner. I'll show you the roast kebab. This is the paneer tikka. Then this is what kebab? I don't know. Some mutton kebab. And then the biryani section. More biryani, ghost biryani. Then this is क्या है? चूजा मखनी, माचे झाल. And this is शोशे चिंगड़ी. This is prawn pickle, pork ginger garlic, pork bamboo shoot pickle, and this is the Manipuri corner. Okha, hangam, I don't know what it is. All Manipuri section. This is Manipuri section. We'll just check the thopda of it. Manipuri chicken. Manipuri chicken with shag. Looks beautiful, na? Really beautiful. Manipuri thing, kangsoi, Manipuri vegetable. No, it's vegetable. It's not vegetable. It's vegetable. This is, I think, black rice. Yeah, Manipuri का famous black rice. Raw mango pickle. मैंने ये लिया था. ये ना मीठा है. I thought it was खट्टा, but it is not. और ये है ना bitter gourd का pickle है. Sounds different, right? Then this is the local corner. Aloo bhaja, then papad, everything is kept. Jaggery. I just had it for the very first time. I had this white butter thing. और ये गुड़ है. This is सरसों का साग. Then this is paneer makhani. This is dal makhani. Then this is dal palak. I had this one. It was very yummy. This is shukto. Shukto is a Bengali cuisine. This is Govindabhog rice, which I have at my home daily. Shabs biryani. This is matlab vegetable biryani. Types of raitas. This is plain raita. Then this is like plain curd, and this is mixed raita. Then comes the local snacks, the fuchka. This is pani puri, golgappa, fuchka, whatever you call it in India, other parts of India. In Bengal, it is called as fuchka. This is jhal mudi, or you can call it as bhel. I just had this palak ke patto ka bhel. So dahi bhalla is also there. And क्या है मैं देख लेते हैं. अभी हम यहाँ से गए थे. अब हम आएंगे ये वाले सेक्शन पे, जो कि है आपका या वसाबी सेक्शन. ये वेजिटेरियंस के लिए है. मैंने ये सब ट्राई किया है, ऑल इंक्लूडिंग दैट वेजिटेरियन सुशी ऑल्सो, एंड आई लव्ड इट. नाउ दिस इज द नॉन वेजिटेरियन सेक्शन. Many things are all ham, then crab, and this. So overall, the spread is very vibrant spread. Okay, I missed this section. This is the cheesemonger section, which includes oysters. Not my son, but yeah. Okay, and seafood basically. And this section salad section, I had them almost all, right? Then I missed this section. This is the Mexican Spanish section. This is like kodo millets too, vegetables too, and this is like root vegetables, oven rooted vegetables. This one, first time I had this pickled, this capers, and it tastes very tangy and very yummy. I don't know what herb is this. I looked for it into the Google, but I really loved it. अच्छा, ये है आपका एग प्लांट चीज़ बेक किया हुआ, बेसिकली बैंगन वी कैन से. दिस इज हैलपिनो पिकल्ड, और ये है आपका पोलेंटा कैपोनाटा. दिस इज लिबानीज सूप. इस आई हैड दिस वन, दिस एग्जैक्टली टेस्ट लाइक सांबार. ओके, दिस इज ओनली फॉर डिस्प्ले. नाउ यहाँ से स्टार्ट है. दिस इज नॉन फॉर सॉरी, Thai section is there. Sorry, there. This is the pizza section. Many pizza. This is the Asian kitchen. Yes, I had this. This was good. These dressings were good. This fried rice. Thai fried rice was good. Stir-fried noodles were good. These were fresh mushroom dim sums, but I didn't take these dim sums because I most of the times avoid mushroom. I don't like. This is for show. I like it. Anyways, the next section which I am like about to show you is the dim sum area, but they are mainly made up of meat for non-vegetarians. You see, सब में लिखा हुआ नॉन वेज, बट हम एक बार देखेंगे उठा के कि क्या है ये. ऑल डिम सम ओनली. देखिए, बहुत गर्म है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्म है. अच्छा, दिस इज़ जाफना करी. यू नो वेयर इज़ जाफना? जाफना इज़ श्रीलंका. देन थाई सूप. आई टेल यू, दिस was literally one of my favorite pick. I always look for मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये. And some marinated shrimp. That's all. But overall it was very tangy, tasty, yummy, delicious culinary. And thank you so much for watching the Let's spread of ITC World in Calcutta.